I'm not talking to David Dougherty. Thank you for your time, David. You're launching a brand new product here at NACS PI that nobody has seen before. So can you go a bit into detail?
Sure. Thank you for the time. We're pretty excited at PDQ. This is the first time at the NACS Show that we're displaying our Laser Wash 360 Plus. Some of the things we focused on this machine are we went out and we talked to our customers, our distributors, and really end users that were using this equipment, and we gathered all their comments on our existing products and compiled it and improved our machines and came out with us the 360 Laser Wash 360 Plus. Some of the key features we have on this: we have an ultimate cover package that's part of the machine. We have a completely redesigned pump station for ease of maintenance, less cost on support and parts. We've taken key items that were high maintenance items that were in the bridge, moved them off onto the pump station. We have completely redesigned our controls to the way the machine moves. It's much more smooth, and we know specifically where the machine is at all times. The materials on the machine are all either anodized aluminum, or stainless steel. We selectively use aluminum on our machines to reduce the weight of it. By reducing the weight, you reduce the power consumption, which is a lower cost for the machine to operate the machine. The main rails and the bridge rails are made of anodized aluminum, which will give longevity and life of the machine. Again, as I say, this is the first time we showed it at the NACS Show. We've had great interest from a lot of our customers. We're excited about it, and we're hoping that we have a great next 2016 with this machine.
So, and what do you think, when will it be available on the market?
We're looking to have this early first quarter of next year, early 2016. We'll have it out there. Right now, we have several machines out selectively running and giving us real-time, real-world feedback, and we're taking those results and tweaking and making the final tweaks to improve the machine for our go live of the product.
So, David, how's PDQ adapting to the EMV introduction into the US?
Well, EMV is a hot topic right now for all of us. So what we've been doing is we have a model that we've been selling internationally that is EMV. Now the US specifications have just recently been set, so now we're tweaking our machines to make sure that we fall under the specifications and are ready to sell this. We have these installed internationally and processing through the pin and chip specifications, and we're looking early first quarter, first of the year to be EMV ready for the US market.
Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
I'm now talking to Steve Robinson from Mark 7. Steve, can you tell me a little bit more about the relationship to WashTec?
Mark 7 is the North American subsidiary of WashTec, WashTec being based in Germany. We're based in Denver, Colorado, and we build car wash equipment for all of the US and Canada. So all combined, Mark 7 and WashTec have over 35,000 customers in over 60 countries around the world.
So Steve, what are the new products you are displaying here?
We're showing our Choice Wash XT, which is behind me, which is our most popular car wash system. And the reason for that is traditionally, convenience stores have had to decide either to get a touch-free system that cleans with high pressure, nothing touches the car, or they would buy what we call a soft touch system that uses soft foam like you see on the machine behind me to clean the car. The Choice Wash XT offers both systems. So you can see we have the soft foam brushes that clean the sides of the car, front and the back, as well as the top of the car. And we also have a complete high pressure system that allows you to offer a touch-free wash. So in that case, the brushes wouldn't touch the car at all. It would just be chemicals and high pressure water that clean the car. And it's all on a single system. So now a convenience store can offer both types of washing in the same wash bay.
Tell me a little bit more about FoamTex, please.
FoamTex is our new foam option that puts a thick sheet of foam on a car Generally, it's a wax or a polish type product. And it's enhanced by LED lighting, multicolored lighting up at the top, so it provides a very dramatic display for customers. And customers are generally willing to pay anywhere from $1 to $3 more if that's included in their wash package. So that option goes on the machine that we just looked at, the Choice Wash XT, as well as our other rollover machines that convenience stores invest in.
I'm talking to Carrie Bisley from Anthony. Carrie, thank you very much for your time. Can you tell me a little bit about the products you're showcasing here?
Yes, we have the iDoor, which is a transparent LCD technology that's embedded in our glass doors. What we're trying to do with convenience stores is disrupt shoppers who normally go to one particular place of the location, and they're a very narrow channel, and they go and grab their coffee or their beverage and they leave the store. And we're trying to disrupt them with digital technology, give them a message of value, and try to cross-sell them to another product and get higher margin products or get additional sales for the convenience store owners.
So Ori, what are the future plans for Anthony?
The future plans for Anthony, Elena, is innovating what's next. Anthony prides itself on innovating cooler and freezer doors for the future. And our future plans are to innovate products that help customers, specifically convenience store operators, reduce their amount of energy consumption, reduce maintenance and operational costs. And we're innovating in order to do that. One of the latest innovations at Anthony is our all-glass zero-energy door. Merchandisers like convenience stores want to merchandise their product, and oftentimes doors are considered a barrier to selling merchandise. Well, Anthony understands this, and they've been developing doors for over 58 years. And we've developed doors that have more visibility, maximum visibility, panoramic visibility. Our latest door, the Vista Elite, provides that maximum visibility and also without any energy. We utilize patented technology such as vacuum insulated glass in order to help provide that. This door, for instance, has a thickness of only 9.2 millimeters, and Anthony's technology removes all of the air between the glass panels utilizing vacuum insulated technology, and to provide an energy efficient door that doesn't consume any energy. In 2017, the Department of Energy is going to be providing more stricter regulations with regards to how much energy a door, commercial cooling and refrigeration door can maximum have. And the Vista Elite consumes zero energy. It's a zero energy door. It's the only cooler door on the market that is all glass and also consumes zero energy. The next innovation that we came out with this very recently is our close control technology. Anthony sells millions of doors throughout the United States, and these doors are opened oftentimes upwards of 100, 200 times a day. And so the gaskets on these doors are wearing out over a 3 to 5 year time period and often have to be replaced. So Anthony developed close control technology, which is a damped device in the hold open to allow the door to close more softly and slowly. So that saves the gasket life and also provides a much more comfortable, positive shopping experience because the doors don't slam when they close.
Oh, thank you very much.
All right.
We are here at the booth of Sloan LED, and I'm talking to Corey Cheeto. Corey, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Can you tell me a little bit about your new products you're showcasing here at NACS PI?
Absolutely. So here at the NACS convention, we have our new 2x2 backlit panel. That's a new product for us in ceiling lighting. It's really intended for the C-store application where you have a T-bar grid. It's a lay-in fixture, and it's a backlit panel that is backlit with the LEDs, so it's very efficient. It's a class-leading 115 lumens per watt, and it qualifies for DLC premium rebates if you have utility rebates in your areas. And It has a very good light output at only 30 watts of power usage.
So is this the only new product you're showcasing here?
So we also have an outdoor product that's our new pole mount light. We actually have the one we're showing here is the pole mount 2A. It's about 10,000 lumen light output. So the product is 1 to 10 volt dimmable, so that if you have it on a dimming system, it'll comply with your dimming system, as well as a sister product that is the pole mount 2B, and that product is a little bit smaller at around 7,000 lumens. And that fixture is going to be a European and a world product for us. It won't be available in North America. And that product will have extremely high efficacy and more suitable for the demands of the European market, where it's a much better looking product, and it has a lot better aesthetic and a different type of construction for that market. So with the two fixtures that we have, it's a growth in our product portfolio, and we're very excited to extend our product portfolio into deeper into the C-store and petroleum store markets.
Thank you very much. I'm now talking to Cooper from Skyline. Cooper, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
Can you tell me a bit about what your company does?
Sure. Skyline Products, we make a variety of different types of electronic price signs, as well as traffic applications for information technology systems for traffic management. Here at the NACS Show here in Las Vegas, we're obviously showing you our price signs, and this is one of our LED applications. And we're a privately owned company. We've been around for about 70 years now, and started in the sign industry way back in the 70s, and here we are today really unveiling our LED product. What we're most known for, actually, though, is our patented scroll technology. As you see above me here, that scroll technology is kind of revolutionary in the sign industry, because previous to that, you'd go to a gas station, you'd have that long pole with the magnets on it, and you'd be putting the signs up, and this really offers you a way to change the price kind of dynamically, but not necessarily go all the way to the LED application, because some folks, based on zoning laws and regulations, some folks just don't want to go to the LED, and that's totally fine. We offer a variety of solutions, and in addition to that, I'll also kind of give them a pitch over there. Price Advantage right next door is actually a sister division to our company, and they make software that actually integrates with POS systems, integrates directly with our signs and competitors' signs to allow you to dynamically change the price wherever you are, whenever you want to do it. Really gives you the full control of the fuel marketing solution.
And what are your future plans for Skyline?
So right now, as you can see, this is pretty revolutionary right here. We got the blue LEDs coming in. I think that's what we're looking at now is a lot of folks want different types of applications, different types of signs, and really being able to take that consultative approach and giving our customers what they need. I can't necessarily speak specifically to what we're planning in the future, but as for what we're doing right now, this blue LED product is kind of what we're highlighting here at the show, and its integration with our Price Advantage sister division.
Thank you very much, Cooper.
Thank you.
I'm now talking to Brent Steele from Former Shape. Brent, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
I've just seen your new product standing over there. Can you just tell me a little bit about that?
Certainly. These are fiberglass composite fascia panels. We're one of the very few manufacturers that specialize in petroleum canopy fascia built with fiberglass, and in particular we specialize in translucent fiberglass products. So that allows us to build a three-dimensional shape with backlighting. It helps the brand differentiate itself from current materials that are in the market right now.
NACS PI, is it a very important trade show for you?
NACS is a very important trade show because it has an international focus, and our products, although they're fairly well known in North America, the bigger market for us is international opportunities. So this gives us an opportunity to meet with people from other countries that are coming here looking for innovation, and most of our new business actually is coming from developing countries where they're deregulating petroleum, and the incumbent state brand is looking to re-image their fascia. So we partner very closely with global design firms as well as major brands, and we create a new design and implement that and actually manufacture in country. So most of our manufacturing now has been in Canada as well as in the Philippines and in India. But as we develop new relationships with international clients, we actually move manufacturing right into their own country, so they end up employing their own citizens to build the products for their petroleum stations.
Thank you very much. So I'm now talking to Larry Springate from CompX. CompX is an American company that works in credit cards and fuel security area. How big of an issue is fuel theft and credit card skimming in the US, Larry?
It's a big issue. There's lots of losses with fuel theft especially, but also credit card skimming is a big issue in the United States.
What does CompX do to help security at gas stations especially?
CompX has developed a total security system for fuel dispensers and in-ground fuel storage. We have developed a high security system for keys and also locks.
What are the biggest challenges for the security at gas stations for CompX?
Well, the biggest challenge is they have a universal key. And so CompX has developed a unique, non-duplicable key that's factory controlled. Both the 2-bar and the turbine keyway are very unique, and so locksmiths cannot duplicate them.
Larry, what are the future plans for CompX?
Well, we want to continue to develop this market. It's the fastest growing market for us, and we have a very broad product line that meets all of the dispenser needs for both Wayne and Gilbarco systems.
Thank you very much. I'm here with Sita Doyle from Instakey. Sita, thank you very much for your time.
Absolutely.
Can you tell me a little bit about the products you're showcasing here?
Sure, absolutely. We are featuring our fuel dispenser lock. With credit card skimming on the rise, a lot of fuel dispensers out there have generic locks that one key gets into all of them. So what we do is we have a rekeyable fuel dispenser lock that's restricted. Locksmiths don't have our blanks, so the keys can't be duplicated. And also allows you to be able to key all your fuel dispensers alike at a site and have mastering. And we have technology that allows you to be able to rekey the lock without having to remove the lock with a turn of a key.
Your customers are mainly from the United States, so NACS is pretty important for you, is it?
Yes, definitely. This is a good show for us. It'll be our third year that we're doing this show.
Great. Thank you very much, Sita.
Absolutely. Thank you.